Garmin Dash Cam 67W Review. Tiny camera, huge proof. Don't drive naked. Ever been stuck replaying that near miss in your head, wishing you had proof? Or worse, arguing with insurance while your word crumbles against someone else's? It's exhausting. Your focus shattered, time wasted, motivation gone. Relying on memory instead of reliable evidence leaves you vulnerable. When the road throws chaos, having nothing but guesswork feels like driving blindfolded. Imagine crushing deadlines at work, endless commutes, stress stacking higher than rush hour traffic. Then, a fender-bender or a hit-and-run. No witnesses, no footage, just you against the world. Burnout creeps in, missed opportunities, insurance hikes, hours wasted proving your innocence. It's not just about money. It's your sanity, your confidence, your peace of mind slipping through the cracks. Enter the Garmin Dash Cam 67W, your silent co-pilot that never blinks. Compact enough to disappear behind your mirror, yet powerful enough to capture a 180 degrees ultra-wide field of view in sharp 1440p HDR clarity. It doesn't miss a detail. License plates, traffic lights, side lane surprises. It records everything, day or night. Hands full? Just say, "Okay, Garmin, save video," and it's done. Thanks to automatic incident detection with GPS tagging, collisions or sudden jolts are instantly logged with exact time and location. Parked? Its parking guard watches your ride and alerts you if something happens, even while you're away. Footage uploads automatically to Garmin's secure video vault cloud, accessible from anywhere via the Drive app. One driver even caught a hit-and-run on the passenger side, proof that any ordinary dash cam would have missed. With features like Travelapse road trip highlights and driver alerts for lane departures and forward collisions, the 67W isn't just a camera. It's freedom from worry, wrapped in a tiny, discreet device. The benefits? Game-changing. Your drives become safer, your focus sharper, your evidence undeniable. Experts rave. One of the widest fields of view on the market without distortion. HDR video ensures crisp detail. Easily the best compact dash cam today. Influencers love the storytelling edge. The Travelapse feature condenses road trips into cinematic reels, safety and fun in one. Analysts highlight trust. Garmin sets the benchmark for discreet, reliable dash cams. Voice control makes it effortless. And real drivers? They swear by it. Finally caught a hit-and-run that other cams would have missed, said one. Another praised, video quality is superb, even at night. HDR delivers clarity insurance can't argue with. A commuter called it the best car accessory I've ever bought. And the praise keeps coming. Reliable Wi-Fi sharing, smart alerts that nudge you without nagging, cloud storage that kills the SD card shuffle. Isn't it wild that something pocket-sized can save you thousands, protect your license, and even sharpen your driving habits? If everyone else swears by the Garmin Dash Cam 67W, why gamble with cheap knockoffs? Don't wait until it's too late. Footage only matters if you have it. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W is flying off shelves, with thousands of drivers already upgrading for peace of mind. Stock is limited. Hesitate, and you risk driving blind tomorrow. Secure your proof, your safety, your sanity. Today, join the wave of smart drivers who refuse to gamble with their future. Act now, claim your Garmin Dash Cam 67W, and never drive unprotected again.